In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Microsoft Edge browser by managing the sidebar and Copilot features. Whether you're looking to streamline your workspace or simply personalize the look of your browser, these easy steps will show you how to make those changes effectively. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can quickly do this by locating and clicking on the Edge icon, typically found on your desktop or in your taskbar. If you frequently browse online, this might be something you're already familiar with. Once you have Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You should notice three small dots aligned vertically. This is your entry point to a plethora of settings and options within Edge. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This will reveal a drop-down menu offering various features and tools designed to enhance your browsing experience. From this menu, look for the Settings option. It often appears towards the bottom of the list, represented by a gear icon, suggesting that this is where all the behind-the-scenes configurations take place. Clicking on Settings will open a new page or tab within Edge, offering a detailed view of all potential adjustments you can make. On this new Settings page, take a look at the options listed on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to focus on Appearance. This section allows you to modify the visual elements of your browser, ensuring it looks and feels just the way you like it. Within the Appearance settings, you'll need to search for the Copilot and Sidebar section. This might require a quick scroll through the page, but it should be easy to locate. Once you've found it, click on it to explore the available configuration options. In the Copilot and Sidebar settings, you will see an option labeled Auto Hidden. This option helps you control the visibility of the sidebar, effectively keeping your browser interface clean and uncluttered when it's not actively in use. To activate this feature, simply click the circle next to Auto Hidden. Upon doing this, you are tailoring Edge to your specific needs, allowing for a more organized and focused browsing experience. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully managed the display settings of your Edge browser, bringing ease and order to your everyday and it's certainly what browsing is. Remember, customizing your browser not only makes for a visually pleasing experience, but can also increase productivity by minimizing distractions. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial, and happy browsing.